If you've installed one of our JCR Off-Road bed racks, but you'd like a little bit more protection for the window and a little bit more storage space, follow along as we install our JT Headache Rack MOLLE Panel. So in this video, we're going to be installing the half size. There is the full size if you have the taller rack. Now, the installation is going to be exactly the same, except for there's one extra bolt on each side. It'll be pretty self-explanatory when you see it and you line it up. Now, in the kit, you're going to get two sides and a centerpiece, and then the bolt kit. Now, the bolt kit is going to have some extra pieces in it because this is the same bolt kit that we send out with all our MOLLE panels. So in the end, if you have a couple extra bolts and washers, don't worry about it. Now, to install this, you're only going to need two tools. You're going to need a 3/16 Allen and a 1/2 inch end wrench. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out by connecting the two pieces together. Now, you can put the small piece on the front or the back side, depending on your personal preference. We tend to put it towards the window just so it's a little bit cleaner install looking from the back. Once you have this piece on, you can go ahead and snug the two pieces together and then go ahead and tighten these all up. Okay, so once you have it up in, we're going to insert a bolt, and then you're going to insert the bolt through the top slot on the side panel here if you have the short rack. Go ahead and just get that started. We're going to wait to tighten everything up. Move on to the bottom bolt. Okay, once you've done the two on the side, go ahead and do the same on the other side to help hold it up to put these top bolts in. Okay, now for these top two slots, there's 3 holes in the actual bed rack itself. You're just going to find one that lines up with the slot and install the bolt through there. Go ahead and repeat the installation of the upper 2 bolts on the other side. Once you've installed all the bolts on both sides, go ahead, center the piece, and tighten it up. Once you've tightened all the bolts, you're finished. Now, if you have any questions on this or any of our other products, don't hesitate to give us a call at 269-353-1184 or shoot us an email at info@jcroffroad.com.